Dear students of BSc Part 2 and respected listeners, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, I will deliver today very special topic, the lecture on change in entropy for temperature and volume. Dear students of BSc Part 2, the topic which is taken from BSc Part 2, Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, selected from Unit 2nd, titled as Thermodynamics 2nd. First of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice on our yesterday's topic and today's topic, which are similar. Yesterday topics, we delivered the necessary equation, fundamental equation, theoretical equation, change in entropy for temperature and volume, but for ideal gas. And today's lecture is similar to derive the necessary equation for change in entropy for temperature and volume for common form for all the state of the matter, for that is of gaseous, solids and liquids. In the examination, dear students, may I request you to derive the necessary equation for change in entropy in terms of temperature and volume for ideal gas. Then you have to derive the yesterday's expressions. But suppose ideal gas thermodynamic quantity or scientific quantity is not involved, then the necessary derivations I will deliver today's here. I mean to say, dear students, yesterday's lecture and today's lectures are common, but yesterday's lecture mainly focused on to derive the necessary equation for change in entropy for ideal gas, for temperature and volume. But today's lecture, which is the similar to derive the necessary equation for temperature and volume, its a relation with that is of entropy, I meant to say in modified form, to derive the necessary equation for change in entropy for temperature and volume. Then for the point of view of the examination, you have to derive the necessary derivation, which is I am going to derive today in the classroom. Dear students, once again I repeat today's lecture to give some important instructions to derive the necessary equation change in entropy for temperature and volume. It is the common equation to derive for solids, liquids and that is of gas. The title subject is divided under the following two important cases here. First one for that is of gases. Nature of the gases may also be that is of real gas. Second one case for that is of solid and liquid. So it is the fundamental discussion for the derivation of change in entropy for temperature and volume. Yesterday's lecture based for ideal gas, today's for that is of common form. In order to derive today's lecture for temperature and volume for entropy case first, let us try to derive here from equation number Z, which is the joint form of first law of TD and second law of TD. Dear students, ds is equals to du upon t plus pdv upon t. Since we know that in our previous lecture using first law of TD, in the unit 1, thermodynamic 1 and second law of TD defined unit second law of TD, ds is equals to delta q reversible upon t. When these both different first law and second law of TD are mixed with each other to produce in our previous lecture ds is equals to du upon t plus pdv upon t. It is the fundamental equation of entropy using or by mixing of first law of TD and that is of a second law of TD here. Quote down or say Z equation. Now by the conditions of the topic entropy, that is a function of temperature and volume, say equation number 1. Its TD equation in our previous lecture from unit 1 by using the concept of fundamental concepts of state function and path function, ds is equals to svt dt plus svt dv. Also, by the condition of the subject or title, I have mentioned on the blackboard here, U internal energy, that is a function of temperature and volume, Also, it's a TD equation of equation number 3 by using the fundamental conceptual of state function and path function as per norms of our unit 1. du is equals to u t v dt plus u v t dv, or you know by the definition of heat capacity at constant volume, u t v, it is symbolized by, it is defined by, that is of cv, which is the value of heat capacity at constant volume, cv dt plus utv uvt, that is of dv. Say that is of equation number 4 here. Now that is of, put down equation number 4, this one, in that is of z equation. In coming timings, tomorrow's, we will derive this expression. In coming lecture, may I request you kindly to note. I will proceed the rest part of from equation number 4. Thank you very much.